Very good morning to you all. This is Arvind Rai from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazaar, and I am a subject teacher of Social Studies. And this video is for class 3rd students. Okay, students. In today's video, we are going to cover our second chapter, our Earth, and we are almost done with this chapter. But some points are left in studying the Earth and directions and maps. Okay. Now, see on page number 10. First of all, our chapter name is Our Earth. Okay. And the topic which we are going to cover is studying the Earth. Studying the Earth. Okay. Now see on page number 10, the Earth is used to be able to study the Earth and its features more easily. People use globes and maps. Okay. What is globes and maps? Students, earlier also I had told you that globe is a spherical representation of the Earth. Okay. A globe is a spherical representation of the Earth which represents the parts of the Earth as they really are, okay, as they really are in real, exactly they are shown on that particular globe, okay. But globes are round in shape, okay, they are bigger in size and they are not very convenient to carry from one place to another with us, okay, and we are not able to see the great details of particular place in a map, okay. Only we are able to see the continents, oceans and the locations of countries, okay, but we are not able to see a very great detail of a particular place, okay. Now second tool is maps, okay. Map is also a representation of Earth but on a flat surface, okay. On a flat surface, on a sheet of paper, we are able to describe the details of a particular place which is shown in the map, okay. We have a beneficial point in map that if we want to see any particular place, particular country or any region or part of that country or place, okay, and type of vegetation, climate, okay, roads, landforms, so they are available in great detail, or we can find that places or that type of as we can say what we are able, what we are trying to search for that particular place, we are able to search with the help of map with great details. And maps are very convenient to use as well as to carry from one place to another. A globe is a model or a true representation of the Earth. Like the Earth, the globe too is round. It shows all the major features of the Earth like the oceans, continents and countries. That I told you just now, okay. A map is a drawing of the Earth or parts of the Earth made on a flat surface. It shows us the features of the Earth in greater detail than a globe does. क्लियर है सभी लोगों को व्हाट इज ग्लोब एंड व्हाट इज मैप. सो फॉर स्टडिंग द अर्थ, ओके, अर्थ के बारे में हमें जानकारी इकट्ठा करने के लिए द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टू टूल्स आर ग्लोब्स एंड मैप्स. One image is being shown on page number 10. One in middle of the images we are having three images, okay. In the middle of that we are having image of a globe, and on the right hand side and on the left hand side we have maps, okay. On right hand side we have a particular map of a city of Delhi, and in left hand side we have a book of maps which is called Atlas, okay. What is Atlas? Book of maps. Now see on page number 11, directions and maps. We use directions to find places on maps and in the real world. Okay? Why we use directions? Okay? The knowledge of direction is very much compulsory for our daily routine. Okay? In our daily purpose, the knowledge of directions is very much necessary, because with the help of direction only we are able to search the location of a place, or we are sorry when we are heading towards any location, then with the help of direction only we will reach to that point. There are four main directions. Okay, there are four main directions when we are studying about directions. Okay, so there are four main directions. We have four main directions when we are using on map. Okay, then upside is north, downside it's south, on our right hand side it's east, and on the left side it's west. Okay, is it clear to you? When we are using a map, okay, when we are finding direction on a map, then at the top side it is north, at the bottom it is south, on the right hand side of us or in the right side of map it is east, and left side is west. Clear है सभी लोगों को? Second way of knowing the direction, okay, second way of knowing the direction, if someone is facing towards east, ठीक है, कोई अगर ईस्ट की तरफ मुंह करके खड़ा है, ठीक है, so this side, as we all know, in east direction sun rises in the east. Okay, sun rises in the east. Okay, this is sun. Okay, sun rises in the east. Suppose that we are facing towards east. ठीक है, हम ईस्ट की तरफ मुंह करके खड़े हैं, तो हमें कैसे डायरेक्शन का पता चलेगा? When we are facing towards east, then just opposite to us, or we can say just back to our, it is west. Okay, just the back direction of that body which is facing towards sun is west. Okay, on the left hand side it is north, and on right hand side it is south. You can see from this diagram also, suppose someone is facing towards east, अगर ईस्ट की तरफ उसका मुंह है तो उसके पीछे क्या होगा? वेस्ट होगा, ठीक है, ऑब्वियस की बात है। और अगर इस तरफ मुंह करके खड़ा है तो उसके बायां हाथ क्या होगा? लेफ्ट साइड इज नॉर्थ एंड राइट हैंड साइड इज साउथ। ओके, क्लियर है सभी लोगों को? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. If we stand facing the rising sun, to our left lies the north and to our right lies the south. On a map, the top shows the north while the bottom shows the south. The left of a map shows the west and the right shows the east. Okay, these points I have told you. After that, there is a topic under heading no more. Okay, on page number 11, top left corner, it is written no more. How do sailors find directions at sea? They do so with the help of a compass. The needle of the compass always points to the north. Okay, the Chinese were probably the first to invent the compass. Okay, compass is, I'll show you the diagram what is compass. Now see on the board what is compass. Okay, it is not up to the mark, but you just assume it. Okay, you just assume when we are using compass, then always at the top side it is north, bottom south, right hand side east, and this side west. And in the outer ring of that compass, it is degrees mentioned. Okay, so this is okay, and we are having the needles. Okay, we are having the needles of that compass. After that, there are 4 sub directions, that is northeast, okay, southeast, okay, southwest, and northwest. Okay, 4 main directions: north, south, east, west, and 4 sub directions: northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Total main directions and सब डायरेक्शंस टोटल हमारे पास 8 डायरेक्शंस होते हैं. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ वॉच इज कॉल्ड कंपास, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ कंपास शोज द डायरेक्शन वेयर यू आर हेडिंग. किस तरफ हम जा रहे हैं वो इसकी सुई पॉइंट आउट करती है. ठीक है, एंड द चाइनीज आर प्रोबेबली नोन एज द इन्वेंटर ऑफ द कंपास. ओके, they invented compass. Okay, they were the first to invent compass. Okay students, after that we are going to cover the summary of this chapter and the exercise part in our next video. Okay, till then, bye bye, see you again.